Coming to the third lecture, that is agroclimatic zones of Telangana. So in the last class, we have discussed what is agroclimatic zone and what is the necessity of classification of agroclimatic zones of India. So as same like the agroclimatic zones of Telangana also we are discussing here in this lecture. So agroclimatic zones, before going to that one, so that the Telangana has been divided into three important agroclimatic zone. So that is northern Telangana zone, central Telangana zone and southern Telangana zone. You can observe the rainfall in the northern Telangana zone, that is 1014.8 millimeter, and central Telangana zone, that is 992 millimeter, and the southern Telangana zone, that is 748.1 millimeter. So average annual rainfall of Telangana, that is 901.2 millimeter of water. So coming to the individual, that is northern Telangana zone. So this zone consists the districts of Adilabad, Asifabad, Komaram Bhim, Nirmal, Manchiryal, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Jagityal, Rajanna Sircilla, Nizamabad and Kamareddy. So these all districts comes under northern Telangana zone. The total geographical area of this zone, that is 3.58 million hectare, and the average annual rainfall is 900 to 1150 millimeter of water, and the net sown area is 1.3 million hectare, and irrigated area is 0.42 million hectare, and the major crops which are cultivated in this zone, that is rice, sugarcane, jowar, pulses, maize, cotton, groundnut, turmeric and chilies. And the cropping intensity, that is 110%, and wells are the main sources of irrigation, followed by the canals in this region, and red chalka soils are predominant in this region. So coming to the second one, central Telangana zone. This zone consists the districts of Warangal urban, Warangal rural, Bhupalapalli, Jaishankar, Jangaon and Mahbubabad, Khammam, Bhadradri Kottagudem, Medak, Sangareddy and Siddipet. So these all districts are comes under central Telangana zone. The total geographical area of this zone, that is 3.85 million hectare, and the average annual rainfall of this region, that is 1039 millimeter. Net sown area is 1.46 million hectare, irrigated area 0.65 million hectare, the cropping intensity is 121.5%, and the major crops rice, sugarcane, jowar, pulses, maize, cotton, groundnut, turmeric and chilies are cultivated in this zone. Coming to the third one, that is southern Telangana zone. So this zone consists Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Shamshabad, Medchal, Vikarabad, Mahbubnagar, Jogulamba Gadwal, Vanaparthi, Nagar Karnool, Nalgonda, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Suryapet. So these all districts are comes under southern Telangana zone. The total geographical area of this zone, that is 4 million hectare, with the average annual rainfall 809 millimeter, and net sown area is 1.68 million hectare, and the irrigated area is 0.24 million hectare. So that is 14.35% of net sown area. And the soils are mainly red sandy, red earth and medium black soils, and the principal crops are grown in this zone, that is jowar, castor, rice, groundnut, bajra, red gram, horse gram, ragi, green gram, maize and sasamam. So these are the principal crops grown in this southern Telangana zone, and it is also can be called as castor belt of Telangana states. Sorry, castor belt of Telugu states. And here I am showing a few crops images: paddy, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric, soybean, green gram, maize, red gram, ragi, jowar, bajra, Bengal gram, we can also can be called as chickpea, sesamum, castor, chilli, groundnut, horse gram. So by this the lecture is completed. Thank you.